Honestly, I'm sorry, but before that, allow me to show you how I did this in Photoshop. Then I tell you why I am actually sorry. So right now, let's go to Photoshop and we start with new file. We click on that. Then we are going to go with the aspect ratio of 1920 by 1080. Let me just give it a name. Let me say sorry. All right. Good. So I'm going to hit OK, and this is what you're going to have over here. From here, I'm going to import my subject that I want to use. So I just brought in a subject over here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to actually scale this subject to become bigger, right? So I'm going to zoom out. Then probably just scale it up like this. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. Then I'll hit on the check mark at the top over here. Now I can just press Ctrl+0 to make sure it fills the space. Now what I'm going to do next is to enter the text that I want to enter. In this case, I'm sorry, that's the text I'm going to enter. So let me change the color of the text over here to white. Then the font, let me see if I can use a different font. Okay, I'm going to use Franklin Gothic Heavy for this. So I'm going to enter the text over here, which is going to be I'm sorry, right? So caps, I'm sorry, that's fine. What I'm going to do next is to just go ahead and right click the thumbnail of the text over here and select pixels. Then after that, I'll hit Ctrl+C to copy, then Ctrl+D to deselect, and after that I'll go ahead and tap over here to create a new layer, and I'll hide this particular text layer. Now after that, I'll go to filter and I'll select vanishing point. Good, this is what we are going to have. I'm going to press Ctrl- to zoom out. Once I've zoomed out like this, I can now start drawing my vanishing point. So I'll start from here, bring it down somewhere here, go here. All right, I hope you can see very well. Then I'll come to the top over here. One thing you have to know about this perspective or vanishing point is that when you draw it and it's not accurate, it will show red like this, but when it is accurate, it will show blue. So let me adjust this till I get a blue option like this. So right now I can just go ahead and hit Ctrl+V to paste the I'm sorry text over here, and I can press Ctrl+T to transform it if I want to. So yeah, after this I can just drag it and drop over here like this. Then I can equally go ahead and transform it the way I want it to be over here, right? So watch me carefully as I do this. Now I can bring it down here. If it's too much, I'll just transform it so I'm okay with whatever I want, right? All right, so once I'm okay with the transformation, I'll just hit on OK over here, and this is what we are going to have, right? But we are not done. We have a few things to do for us to finish. So what we are going to do right now is we are going to double click on the thumbnail over here, right? Or if you don't want to double click, just come to FS, which is the function, and go to blend options. Then you're going to have over here blend if column, right? So we have to select this particular one, which is the underlying layer, right? This is what we are going to use. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm just going to hold on Alt and bring my cursor over here. Then it will split this into two. So now if I move this, this is what is going to happen, right? You can see how the text is blending well, right? So once I'm okay with this, I'll just hit OK, and voila, that is it. Next thing you have to do, just go ahead and save it as you want, right? So yeah, let me say, okay, that's sorry, and I'm going to select JPEG and hit save. Voila, so that is it basically. So now why I'm saying that I'm sorry is because it's been like ages since I've uploaded a Photoshop tutorial for you. But don't worry, I think in the subsequent days, I'll be coming up with tutorials that can be so much helpful to you and other things that will actually help you in the long run. I'm so sorry that I've been away from Photoshop and designing in general for so long. But yeah, hopefully I'll get to give you more content. So stay tuned and hit that like button on the video and also hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Pleasure.